Hey guys, just talking about the PaintAccess double masker today. Basically what this product does, it allows you to go over the 2.7 of these normal masking films and use a larger, longer, more industrial product that goes up to 4.8 meters. Basically what you do is you peel and stick your required length. It cuts itself. Then you can apply your masking film straight onto the sticky side, and using this product it will drop 4.8 meters to the floor. So great for shop fronts, great for fit outs, anything that needs to be protected on your site. If you're after one, come down to PaintAccess. Thank you very much.